Sexually transmitted diseases in our community. The numbers, they're quite shocking. The number of people getting syphilis, gonorrhea, and chlamydia increasing at an alarming rate. Here's what the numbers are from the state health department. A whopping 450% increase in gonorrhea in Cortland County. Syphilis in Onondaga County has jumped 93%. And Oswego County is seeing a 46% increase in chlamydia cases. So what's being done to reverse that trend? New at 10, our Samantha German takes a look at a unique approach in Syracuse to fight the spread of STDs.
4 times a week, this van turns into a mobile office and ventures out in the community for on-the-spot STD testing.
We're not going to reach out to everybody, but the world that we live in is so small that, it has ears. And if we can reach out and help one person, that person could reach out to somebody else.
The van is part of ACR Health's mission to help prevent the spread of sexually transmitted diseases by getting to people who may not take the initiative to get tested. One of the volunteers is Dante Goings, also known as Bear. He's been at ACR for 3 years now and admits he was a much different person a while back.
I had the mentality that I can trust, people, the people that I came in contact with sexually, just by going on word of mouth.
But 2 wake-up calls would change that and impact him for the rest of his life.
I had an aunt, her name was Barbara Tatum, and she's been living with not HIV, but the AIDS virus for a little over 8 years before she passed away. And I also had a childhood friend, going to school with, who went from being HIV positive to having full-blown AIDS. And when I found out that he had AIDS, 2 years later, he was gone.
Dante now gets tested every 6 months, and he's hoping to spread that message to others as he makes his way out into the community. The mobile office allows them to use mobile test kits to screen for gonorrhea, syphilis, chlamydia, HIV, and hepatitis C. Those who get tested can remain anonymous. The New York State Health Department attributes social media and dating websites at people's fingertips as a contributing factor to the rise of STDs in central New York, but ACR stresses that these dating apps aren't the main problem.
There's a big gray area. People sometimes use social media to meet people anonymously or date people, and sometimes I think you have to be really careful. Again, not only educate yourself about sex, but also be careful who you're meeting.
Which is why ACR Health says awareness and prevention are key in combating the spread of sexually transmitted diseases.
Having those updated results, it feels good, especially from a person like me who gets tested every 6 months, who knows my status. It feels great to go out there and actually tell the people close to me, my friends, my family, oh, look, I just got tested today, and guess what? I'm good.
It's a mobile mission, making a difference, one test at a time. Reporting in Syracuse, I'm Samantha German.